Hi friends, Ben back again on another quick video. This time it's just me, fiddling around with the bike, and what you see here is just um, some amber filters for the spot lamps that I run on my motorcycle. So this I just customized from uh, an amber filter that I had lying around for my aux lamp, which was a big 4 LED aux lamp. And the one that I have on the motorcycle now is just two LEDs, two separate LEDs, and there are two separate spot lamps. So this was from an aux lamp, which was like this. The amber cover would fit in like that for the aux lamp. Now what you've seen me do is I've just taken my mini grinder, and I have gone about more like a Dremel tool, and I've gone about cutting these bits out. We'll replace the clear filter with these amber filters, and we'll see how these perform on the motorcycle. Pretty straightforward job. All you need is just this mini grinder tool or a Dremel, and you can just slowly, steadily, if you have a steady hand, you can cut out these circles the size that fit my spot lamps now. So this is nothing for anyone to try, because it's a very customized setup. My spot lamp is a particular size, and I was lucky enough to have this particular amber filter, which is this size. And for me, in fact, luck was totally by my side, is because I could get two of these filters out from just one of these filters for the bigger lamp. Okay, so that is how this fits the spot lamp. Pretty straightforward. You have an outer cover which comes off like that, and then you have the amber filter. As easy as that. There are some rubber O-rings, if you guys can see, and this goes on top, the cover goes on top, and that's how easy it is. This is going on the motorcycle now. We'll see you guys in a bit. So that's the spot lamps, and then the high beam, low beam, high beam, spot lamps off, spot lamps on, high beam, low beam, spot lamps off, spot lamps on, high beam.